Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Joshna. You are watching AYS. We're going to learn how to sleep better. There are certain postures we're going to do to make sure you sleep better. So come and sit in any comfortable position. You can do it in your bed before going to sleep. So make sure you turn your light off and start this practice. So start to relax your shoulders, see if there is any tension, be aware of your body in your neck, in your chest. Now, gently tucking your chin down, see if there is any tension in your neck. Feel it and be with it, and slowly inhale. See if there is any tension in your neck as you lift your neck up. Exhale to the right side, just gently feeling that part of your neck and slowly lifting up towards your left side. You all have to do this very slowly and gently, so allowing your body to rest and relax. And try to move your shoulders like a 3 times, releasing all kind of stress you carry through the day. And do the opposite side, also relaxing any kind of stress or tension in your physical body. Whatever you have in your mind, it translates to your physical body. So now we're going to do a small rotation, turn towards your right side. Don't strain so hard, just a gentle twist, looking to the sides with your right hand back, left hand on your knee, and then we keep your right hand on your left knee, left hand behind to the other side. Take few deep breaths, relaxing and being aware of your body. Now slowly you're going to hug your knees to your chest. So bend your knees and hug your knees, drop your head down. Through the practice, I would recommend you to close your eyes. If you want to see the posture, you can open your eyes and see, but try to majorly close your eyes. Now you can stretch your left leg out, just bend your right knee and hug your right knee to your chest, gently rounding your back, and you're resting fully with your forehead on your knee, surrendering completely. Now slowly lift your head up and then bend your left knee, rounding your back, hug your left knee tight. So that will give you a nice rounding in the back and releases any kind of stress you have in your spine, in your hips. Breathe there. Take as long as you want. If you want, you can pause this video and stay there for a couple of more breaths. We're staying here for 5 to 6 breaths, allowing you to relax completely. Now you can bend your knees. We're going to roll slowly back down into the floor. So make sure you have enough space and don't have any pillows. Just move your pillows and try to comfortably lie down. And then bend your right knee, hug your knee to the chest. The same movement what we did in the sitting position, we're doing it in the lying down position. Now I want you to scan your spine. See if there is any kind of discomfort or stress in your lower back. And then change legs. Bend your left knee, hug it towards your chest, gentle hug. At the same time, keep your eyes closed, fully relax your shoulders. Scan your body, release all the stress away. You are slowly getting ready to sleep. So focus on your making your breath slower and longer. Now release your left leg. Now take your right leg, place on top of your left thigh like you cross your leg, and if you can, take your right toe and hold your ankle. If you cannot, don't worry. Keep your hands on your hips, on your abdomen. Drop it towards the left side. And if you're comfortable, stretch your right arm to the right shoulder, just stretching as much as you can. Turn your head to your right. Now, with your palms, you're going to feel the breath in your abdomen, in your chest, and you feel a nice relaxation setting in. Inhale, come back and change your leg. Take your left leg around and try and hold your left ankle towards your right feet or ankle and stretch your left arm outside and turn your head towards your left. So your left arm in line with your left shoulder and take your right palm on your abdomen, gently breathing in and out, feeling that relaxation spreading into your body. Inhale, you come back and relax your legs. Now take your hands on your abdomen, feel your breath. Your eyes are closed, you're relaxing, Just breathing in and out gently. Now I'm going to keep your legs slightly open. Press your palms onto the floor. We're going to gently lift our hips up into towards the ceiling. Exhale, drop down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop down. Inhale, lift up. And let's stay for a few breaths. Make sure you're comfortable here. If there is, don't put too much of an effort. Should be very gentle movement from your hips with your help of your legs. And slowly drop down. The next movement is gonna hug the knees with your knees wide open. So take your knees wide open, hug your knees. So your right knee towards your right armpit, left knee towards your left armpit. Try and hug as tight as you can, releasing any kind of pain or discomfort in your spine. Now we're going to do a rotation. Move your knees outside and open up towards the edge of the mat. Come back in and do the opposite side rotation. So knees are together, open up when you go back and come forward, hug 3 times. And then keeping your knees together, try to hug closer to your chest and stay here. Now slowly drop your legs down. If you have, take your right leg on top of your left thigh and hug your left thigh from inside. So right hand goes inside, left hand from the outside. You hug. If you want, you can have a look at what I'm doing and press it closer to your chest. Keep breathing in and out and enjoy your breath. If there is any kind of discomfort in your knee, you don't have to pull so closer. Now take your left leg on top of your right thigh. Take your both hands under your right thigh, holding under your knee, hug closely towards your chest. And let's breathe here. We are slowly releasing any tensions we have in our body to go to sleep. It's very important to have a good night's sleep. So we're going to focus on our breath to relax. Now slowly come back and see if you have a block or two pillows. What you do, you put the 2 pillows under your hips. So it should be on your sacrum, exactly on your sacrum. And try and keep your hips there, hands on your abdomen, chin nicely tucked to your chest. In this position, make sure you don't turn your head and just stay there for a few breaths. We are preparing ourselves to go inversion position. So you're going to lift your right leg up in line with your hips. If you feel that's difficult, you can bend your knees. Right leg up, you can keep your right knee bent also. Stay there for a few breaths. And then if you can, straighten your right leg. Exhale, drop your right leg. And slowly left leg up. So you can bend your left knee first for a few breaths. And if you're comfortable there, then you can straighten your left leg for a few breaths. Breathe and slowly drop your left leg down. Now see if this is comfortable. If your hips are comfortable, lift both your legs up. So you are in a preparation towards an inversion position. This is called Viparita Karani. If this is not comfortable, you can go to a wall and put both your legs against the wall, 90 degree, and then just stay there. This will help to release all kind of tension you have in your lower extremities, your ankle joint, your knee joint, your hip joint, and you'll feel more and more relaxed and more blood flow, and your breath becomes softer. It should be very comforting posture. It should not be a difficult posture. And drop your legs back and remove the block or remove your pillows. Drop your hips down. Now open your knees to the side like a butterfly pose. Keep your hands on your abdomen. and you tell yourself, I'm ready to go to sleep. My body is fully relaxed. I don't have any kind of tension. You stay there for a few breaths, feeling what's happening in your inner thighs, in your groin area. You're relaxing all the organs around your waist and slowly stretching your right leg out and your left leg out. You come to a nice Shavasana position. Take your right hand, place on your chest, left hand on your abdomen. Just watching the rise and fall of your abdomen and chest for the next few breaths. You're completely present and you're relaxed. You can keep your arms in the same position, or you can bring your arms to the side of your hips and continue in this Shavasana position for the next few breaths, and automatically you will slowly slip into sleep. So now let's focus on releasing mentally any kind of stress we have in each part of our body. Let's start with our toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Turn your neck to one side. Relax your ankles. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your hips. Your lower part of your legs completely relaxed. Relax your abdomen. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms, your elbows, your palms, and your wrist. If you want, turn your head to the other side. Relax your neck. Relax the top of your head, the back of your head, your whole spine fully relaxed. Your face, eyes, nose, ears, everything is fully relaxed. You're ready to go into a state of sleep. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow and we have more videos. See you. Have a good night's sleep, everyone.